And here we go, May 27, 2017, Columbia City in Alabang. No rain can stop the runners of the 2017 Black Light Color Manila Run. The run is one of the unique fun runs in the Philippines that incorporate colors. It is literally for fun runners as thousands converge to run on their own face to enjoy.
Fun and exciting. So, okay naman sana siya. Average.
What did you like the most? Yung water. Yeah. Start so fun.
Okay. Yung ano lang, siguro yung sa registration, yung sa pag-correct. So, hassle siya. Pero all in all, run. Hindi lang kami, pero fun pa rin.
Actually, it was worthwhile na nandun kami sa finish line. Parang it's worth it even though it's our first time. Sobrang sarap na ng feeling. Yan, rock. Yeah, so worth it naman. Alright.
Actually, it's also my first time and talagang na-enjoy ko. Kung nakakapagod talaga, pero pinagandaan ko ito.
Yes. Alright.
Kahit ulit siya, okay pa rin siya.
If you attended the event, tell us what you think, and don't forget to visit Color Manila website as they could be having the next event in your city.
Thank you so much for having this Color Manila event. Thank you. Next time. Bye.
This is Pao, and if you also like other sports, go visit our website or Facebook page and get more sports updates, including this next run right here.